And lastly, yung itemize. This is the most intricate one po. So ito po, we're trying to, as much as possible, get all the thresholds of the tax code po. And minimize yung data entry po ni user po. Like for example, we have certain limits sa ating charitable institution. It can be 5%, it can be 10%, it can be full, it can be zero, depending on if whether we are able to satisfy yung mga conditions. Also, another threshold na to bear in mind, arbitrage limit of interest. So, which is yung 20% of the interest income subject to final tax. And also, for example, yung ating mga representation, yung ating Jollibee, yung mga pagkain natin sa labas na may resibo. So meron rin pong threshold po yun. So yung threshold niya po is it can either be 1% or 0.5%. So dito sa system po, it's we have already integrated po yung mga thresholds na yon.